What's that? You're getting married? You need a photographer for the wedding? Well, how are you going to find one? Craigslist is a great place to find all sorts of stuff. I'm Chris Cook with Security Awareness, and let's take a look at how to place an ad on Craigslist. First, you're going to go to Craigslist at www.craigslist.org. Select the state you're in, and then select the local regional area. We're in the Tampa Bay area, so we're going to go select that. Next, we're going to go to Post to Classifieds. Once we're there, we're going to go to Gig Offered. This is looking for a short-term, small or odd job. We're going to select I want to hire someone. Now, if you have a service to offer, you can go down that route, but right now we're looking to hire someone. Down below, there's different types of things you can do. Crew gigs, creative gigs, computer gigs, domestic gigs. We're going to event gigs because that's what they list for wedding photographers. We're going to select the county we're in because that's going to get the local people closest to finding us easily. And we're going to put in our posting title. Wedding photographer needed. Specific location is going to be Tampa. And then we're going to put in specifics about the what we want for the photographer. When the wedding is, maybe the church location, that type of information. Something that's going to help them whether or not they want to be able to take the job. If you're going to put, then you have to select pay or no pay. Obviously, a wedding photographer is going to want money. Put in the amount that you're willing to offer. If it's a range, put $500 to $600 or however much you're willing to offer for the photographer. You're going to need to enter your email address, and then you're going to need to re-enter the email address as well just to verify it. Now, the email address will not show up in the ad, but it's used to send you messages that you've got responses to your classified. Then you're going to need to choose whether or not it's okay for others to contact you directly with products or services or commercial interests. I usually recommend that you don't do that. Click Continue. It's going to bring your ad up for you to review. Make sure that everything's spelled correctly, that it looks professional, and it communicates the message that you want. Then go ahead and click OK, and it will post your message to Craigslist. And hopefully that photographer will find you in time for your special event. I'm Chris Cook with Security Awareness Incorporated.